After taking the patient's history, measure her visual acuity, which tests cranial nerve 2, the optic nerve. To test distance vision, have the patient cover one eye and look at a Snellen chart that's 20 feet away. Ask her to read the smallest line in which she can identify all the letters.
P-E-C-F-D.
Can you read anything on line 6?
Maybe, but the letters aren't clear.
Okay. Now cover your left eye with the card and tell me which line you can read clearly.
Line 5 again.
Can you read that line backwards?
D-F-C-E-P.
Now we'll do this again. Put your glasses on and cover your right eye with the card.
That would be line 8.
If you test the patient with and without corrective lenses, document the readings separately. Record the patient's visual acuity as a fraction. The numerator is the patient's distance from the chart, usually 20 feet or 6 meters. The denominator is the distance at which the average eye can read the line. For example, a reading of 20/25 means that the patient can read at 20 feet what most people can read from 25 feet away. In adults, average vision is 20/20.
Are you ready to play the E-game?
Yes.
Good. Okay, Mom, if you could cover up one of her eyes.
For a child or an adult who doesn't read English, use a Snellen E-chart to test visual acuity.
Good.
While you stand at the chart, have the child point her arms or fingers in the direction of the legs of the E.
That's
You
right.
may need an assistant, such as the child's parent, to help her cover one eye.
Now cover your
If the
right
patient's distance vision is less than 20/20,
left eye.
have her hold a card with a small pinhole over the uncovered eye and read the chart again. If visual acuity was reduced by a refractive error, this should improve acuity by at least one line.
T-E-C.